Welcome to EmployeeConnect. In this video, you'll learn how to set up employment groups in the system. So first of all, you'll need to make sure that you've logged in with admin privileges. Once you've done that, you'll need to navigate to HR in the top menu, and then to Organisation. You'll then need to navigate to Groups in the side menu, and then to Employment Group. The page will show you all of the current employment groups that you have in your system. It will show you information like the ID, the name, the employment type, work type, pay group, work group, holiday group, and the accrual package and pay package. If you'd like to add a new employment group, all you'll need to do is click on the plus icon and you'll be taken to the next page. We recommend that you fill out at minimum the detail that's shown on this screen here. So all you'll need to do is click on the plus icon and fill in the relevant information on this page. Let's go through it one by one. So first of all, you'll need to define under the employment group heading, the employment group ID and the name. We usually recommend as best practice just to make them the same. For example, let's make an employment group for part-time. Next, in the Group Association heading, there are additional things that you can do. For example, the employment type. Just select something from the list. If it's just for a standard employee that's permanently hired, then we would recommend just to select employment. You can then select their pay group. Again, depending on how many pay groups you have set up in your system, will appear here. Their holiday group. And you can also define accrual packages and payroll packages. But again, I'm going to leave this blank for now. Next, in the work type section, you'll need to fill in the work type, work group, and the pattern, and the offset and the seed date. So for work type, we're going to say that this person or this group is part-time. The work group, again, is part-time. And we're going to leave the pattern offer and the seed date blank. Again, that would be purely informational if you wanted to add that. Again, the next section that you've got is the work hour conversion, and this also is just purely informational, and we're going to leave this blank for now. You've then got the workday override, and again, this is purely informational, and we're going to leave this blank for now. And then you've got term definitions, which is also information. This is just defining some defaults. For example, what's the minimum age of someone in this employment group that when they retire, or if they can be hired, or their probation date, and so forth. Again, purely informational, and you can insert that if you'd like, but it's up to you. You can also define for the work group as to whether, the employment group, as to whether leave can be done in advance, and you can actually define a review template if you'd like, but we're going to leave this blank for now. So just reiterating, all of the information that we've selected above is probably the bare minimum that you would need to do when defining an employment group. All of this information, when you then assign this employment group to an employee or a group of employees, will then flow through into their employment agreement. So again, as best practice, what we recommend is to create the bare minimum information that can be applicable to as many employees as possible. And then when you need to get more finite, you can define them on each individual employee's employment agreement. So then all you'll need to do is click Save. Use the breadcrumbs up the top to go back to the employment group. And you'll see now that part-time is also part of the employment groups under full-time. If you need to create additional employment groups, all you'll need to do is follow the exact same process and click on the plus icon. And that's how easy it is to create employment groups in EmployeeConnect.